안녕하세요 여러분. Hi guys. Welcome back to Easy Korean Patterns. Yeah. And today we're gonna learn about how to say I like something in Korean. Let's get started. So I guess maybe you guys already heard of this expression because it is very common. So you can find it everywhere, like from lyrics, Korean dramas, and Korean movies. So anyway, today's sentence pattern is this. 짠짠. 저는 noun plus 을을 좋아해요 for former, and 나는 noun plus 을을 좋아해 for informer. So both of them mean I like nouns. And 좋아해요 or 좋아해 here are from the verb called 좋아하다. 좋아하다, which means to like. And 좋아하다 is a basic form. You can find it from the dictionary. 좋아하다 because it ends with a 다 ending, right? 좋아하다. And 좋아해요 or 좋아해 or its conjugation of present tense. So again, 좋아해요 for former and 좋아해 for informer. So if you say 저는 noun 을을 좋아해요, it means I like nouns. And there are 을 or 를, right? You have to choose one of them. If a noun ends with a vowel like 고양이, you have to attach 를. 고양이를. You have to choose 를. 고양이를. So if you say 저는 고양이를 좋아해요, it means I like cats. 저는 고양이를 좋아해요. 저는 고양이를 좋아해요. On the other hand, if a noun ends with a consonant like 말, horse, 말, you have to put 을, like 말을. And please take a look at the 을. There is a iung, right? The Korean consonant iung. In Korean language, iung is considered to be a blank. It's like a empty, when it is not a lost vowel. So when you pronounce 말, you have to move the last sound of 말, sound to the iung. So it's like 말을. Not 말, it's for better pronunciation. 말을. So you can say 저는 말을 좋아해요. 저는 말을 좋아해요. And of course, in an informal phrase, you can say 나는 말을 좋아해. Also, 저는 or 나는, both of them mean I, right? This is a subject. And if you want to say it about him, her, or other person, you can just change the subject. So for example, if you say 소피는 과자를 좋아해요, it means Sophie likes snacks. 소피는 과자를 좋아해요. 소피는 과자를 좋아해요. Or you can say 걔는 강아지를 좋아해. It means he or she likes dogs. 걔는 강아지를 좋아해. You can just change the subjects. 걔는 강아지를 좋아해. Alright, and also you can change a verb into a noun form by attaching 는 것, so that you can say like I like walking or I like swimming, things like that. So all you have to remember is to put 는 것 after the root of the verbs. So for example, 걷다 here, it means to walk. 걷다. And if you attach 는 것 right after 걷, it'll be 걷는 것, right? Just be aware of this pronunciation. 걷는 것. 걷는 것 is like walking in English. 걷는 것. So if you say 저는 걷는 것을 좋아해요, it means I like walking. 저는 걷는 것을 좋아해요. 저는 걷는 것을 좋아해요. And 것 ends with a consonant 시옷, right? So that's why there is 을, 걷는 것을 좋아해요. And of course, in an informal phrase, you can say 나는 걷는 것을 좋아해. 나는 걷는 것을 좋아해. But there is an exception. If a verb ends with a consonant lir, you have to take out of the rear and then attach 는 것. So for example, there is a verb called 놀다, 놀다. It means to play or to hang out with somebody. 놀다, 놀다. And nor here, it ends with a consonant rear, right? nor, nor. So if you want to say I like playing, you have to say 저는 노는 것을 좋아해요. Not 놀는 것. Okay? 노는 것. 저는 노는 것을 좋아해요. I like playing. Alright, so from now on, we're gonna practice with some example sentences. Let's get started. Summer is 여름 in Korean. Then how do you say I like summer?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
저는 여름을 좋아해요. 나는 여름을 좋아해. 저는 여름을 좋아해요. 나는 여름을 좋아해. 요리하다 means to cook. And 요리하는 것 means cooking. So, how do you say I like cooking in Korean?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
저는 요리하는 것을 좋아해요. 나는 요리하는 것을 좋아해. 저는 요리하는 것을 좋아해요. 나는 요리하는 것을 좋아해. Alright, thank you so much for watching. That's it for today. If you have any questions about this sentence pattern, please leave a comment below. And in the next video, we're gonna learn about how to say I hate something in Korean. So please stay tuned. And thank you so much for watching today. 그러면 다음 시간에 봅시다. I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye. 안녕.